we are going to work on our big arms, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the ducky out in front of us, and we're gonna use our big ice cream scooper arms to go get it. So let's put your fingers together.
I don't want to put my eyes down, actually.
We're just gonna scoop it right like this. We're just gonna practice our arms so we don't have to. We're gonna go big scoops like this. Very good. You ready? Let's scoop to it. Good. Can you do it?
Yeah.
Big scoops.
Got it.
Good. So what I have is my hands right here underneath her, and I'm actually sitting her down on my knee. So I'm standing up in the water. She's sitting on my knee so I can hold her and I can show her how to use her big arms. Good girl. Show me those big arms. Then I'm gonna hold her like this. Big arms, show me. Good girl, pull that water. Then I move forward as she pulls so she goes somewhere and we get the toy. Very good job.
I'm gonna put them underwater so I can go swimming.
Do you want to try it one more time? Let's throw the ducky. Just a little throw. There you go. And ready? Use your big arms. I'm holding her and I'm just kind of scooting forward as she does her big arms. Very good. Very good.
The ducky's following me. Caught it.
Got it.